Using a CRM that continually innovates and stays up to date with technology is no longer an option for a successful real estate agent or team. Whether you're solo or part of a team lead, or have your own brokerage, having the right CRM and adoption with that CRM helps you scale and stay organized, nurture leads, and manage your pipeline. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through which CRM is best for you with this comparison. There are so many real estate CRMs on the market and so many more being built, especially with the ability to vibe code with AI today. So you want to ensure that you protect yourself and you don't jump from one CRM to another with the promise of so many bells and whistles and features when in fact there are so many CRMs that promise but underdeliver. In fact, there are agents even vibe coding CRMs that don't even have any background in software as a service. Some CRMs are built specifically for real estate. Other CRMs are built for sales in general. Some are just software platforms for any business model. Some are even, you might consider, schemes. So this CRM comparison breaks down exactly what to look for in a CRM, my own personal recommendations, and outside reviews from top real estate professionals and from outside peer reviews outside of my own personal bias to help you decide. So before we decide and compare which CRM options are best for you, start with your own needs. Focus on your own real estate needs and what features matter to you most. Do you need a CRM that helps manage your leads and automation? Are you prioritizing your CRM for lead generation? Are you needing help with transaction management or compliance? Keep in mind that the more features and wish lists items that you add, the more complicated a CRM gets, the more that company needs to manage, the more things can break. So in my own biased opinion, when you are finding CRMs that offer an all-in, the lesser value comes into play. Whenever they offer built-in websites and built-in lead generation, it gets messier and more complicated. But that's my own personal evaluation here. Evaluate lead generation tools. Many top real estate CRMs offer, or not top, but most popular CRMs offer built-in websites and landing pages. If you rely heavily on online lead generation, you can look at CRMs that offer these built-in tools, or you can look at standalone CRMs that integrate with top lead gen providers. Whenever you consider a CRM and you look at pricing and you see huge differences in pricing models, consider the pricing carefully. Some all-in-one CRMs bundle everything together. Some charge per user. Others require that you do ad spend, and then think about usability and if you'll be using all the features that they offer. The best CRM for any real estate agent or team is one that works within your workflows and easy to understand and use. If you sign up for a CRM that is way overwhelming, has way too many features, is complicated, hard to reach the support, and hard to understand, and has a huge learning curve, then it's just not going to happen. A CRM also only works if it's consistently used. So these are the most popular CRMs and my own personal opinion. So as of now, I still highly recommend Followup Boss, although I am continuing to test other CRMs. There is one that has caught my eye and I'm personally exploring. I'm not going to name it yet until I have personally tested it all out. We have been testing it for a couple months, but I don't want to say without verifying it. So Followup Boss is still the number one CRM I recommend. The pricing starts at $69 a month for a solo user. You can add on users at $69 a month. The dialer is an optional add-on. Now the pricing may change since the time of the release of this video, but that's the pricing today. They offer bundled pricing when you add on other, I think it's like 10 users. They offer a pro bundled price. I think it's $1,000 a month. I think it's really only beneficial once you have maybe 7 or 8 users that all use the dialer to jump up to the pro. And then they have a platform for whenever you need to use all of the features and power-ups available. Widely considered one of the best CRMs for agents and teams who want to have a best-in-class CRM. This CRM is focused on innovating and staying on top of current technology, especially with how fast technology moves. Now, they are not just adding in a bunch of things as technology moves quickly. They are ensuring that everything that they implement is tested and they're not moving too quickly. They're not vibe coding per se. They have quality assurance in place. They have open API. They integrate with any lead generation you can think of. They solely focus on being a CRM so that they are focusing on being the best CRM it can be, but they integrate with website providers, lead gen providers, Zillow, Facebook, Google Ads, a lot of other IDX providers, like anyone can integrate with them basically. It manages lead routing, pipeline management, reporting, automations, campaigns, dialer with AI summaries and transcript, and is best suited for solo agents, teams, all the way to brokerages that are boutique. Again, it's a standalone CRM, doesn't include a website, but that's not a bad thing because they're focusing on what they do best, and that's being a CRM. Integrates seamlessly with other website tools, or other real estate tools, I should say. In the description of this YouTube video, I'll include a demo video I did for Followup Boss if you want to watch a deep dive. It's about like 45 minutes. Now, the other more popular CRMs, and this one's a little less expensive. It's called Wise Agent. It was specifically built for real estate, just like Followup Boss. It offers contact management, drip campaigns, transaction tracking, and marketing automation. Best for solo agents and small teams. It is labeled as one of the best CRMs for value for those who want structure without high pricing. Popular one is Sierra Interactive. This one is best for teams. It starts at $400 or $500 a month as of recording this video. Again, don't take my pricing as is. Pricing changes. And it does include IDX and does offer that all-in-one solution with website IDX and lead generation tool. This one's around the same price as Sierra. I think it's a little bit less, around $449 a month. It's a very popular CRM because a lot of brokerages have partnered with Lofty. It's best for solo agents or teams. It does provide AI-driven automation. I do believe that the support is a little bit trickier to get a hold of, but it does offer a more affordable price through brokerages. The AI automation I've heard mixed reviews about. It is another all-in-one real estate solution. So it includes the CRM, the IDX, the website, and the lead generation. And it's like an all-in-one solution. BoldTrail is also a very popular one because a lot of brokerages partner with BoldTrail as well. BoldTrail used to be called, gosh, it's gone through so many names, KVCore. Previously was called Conversion. They have custom pricing, so I don't believe there's any public pricing available. Through brokerages, it's a lot more affordable. BoldTrail focuses on productivity, accountability, another all-in-one with IDX and website. Another one is RealGeeks. RealGeeks is a semi-all-in-one. A lot of folks actually sign up for both RealGeeks and Followup Boss because RealGeeks is affordable for the website, IDX, and lead generation, and then they use Followup Boss for their CRM. Lone Wolf is not as popular as the other ones. There's no public pricing available. A lot of people online mentioned that the transaction management is nice within the CRM. You can upload compliance and document management, and they have document management tools within there. And then Boomtown. Boomtown is becoming a little less popular from my point of view. The pricing is a bit higher than the others. Pricing, I didn't find a solidified pricing for this one. It's an all-in-one as well. It's a full service website lead generation CRM. May not be really a good fit for solo agents. Sync, spelled C-I-N-C. Again, pricing not available online, best for teams for relying heavy on lead generation. So basically you would go all in on Sync's lead generation and CRM tools for your business model. So how do you choose the best CRM? Choose the best CRM for your real estate business depending on where you are today and where you want to go. In my personal opinion, the best CRM is Followup Boss. It grows with you no matter where you are in your real estate journey, but I am biased because I've used Followup Boss since 2015 and I have seen how it has grown. I have used the majority of the other CRMs mentioned on this list, and Followup Boss is the one that I recommend. So that is my own personal opinion. But ultimately, the right CRM is the one that you use, the one that you can personally get adoption for your own self. And if you have a team or brokerage, that you can get your team and brokerage to adopt as well. So although there is no general consensus from the public of what the best CRM is, my own personal opinion is Followup Boss. The all-in-one tools, they have, I would say, a disadvantage because it is trickier for a company to manage all of those tools within one platform. And the cost can vary greatly because of how different these business models are with these CRMs. You can switch from one CRM to another if you don't like it, but you can lose a lot of data from one CRM to another, or it can be expensive to hire the right person to ensure you don't lose any data. And it's just a headache to switch from one CRM to another. So this can be a really tricky decision to make. So if you are looking for help and want to strategize with choosing the right CRM, feel free to schedule a call with our team and we're happy to do a strategy call with you. I'll put a link to our website and or our calendar below.